What's up, Mario?
I gotta leave the Zoom for just a few minutes. I'll be right back.
All right. Philip, what up or down? Yeah, so on my MT4, this 30 minutes actually trying to close bullish. So if it closes above my area, I'll let you know. I'm going to take a buy. It did not close above the area, but once it breaks the high of the candle, I'm going to take an entry. If it breaks the high. Nice. So I got a buy stop at 93148. So if it pushes above, I'm going to secure it 10 pips, and then that will be it.
Who is this Paul on the live stream using a buy stop? I've never heard you say you're usually fully against buy stops and pending orders.
Yeah, I did lots of learning this weekend.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I learned how to kind of not miss moves.
Okay.
And I have not tested it in the Asian session, so this is kind of we'll see how it plays out. But it went. I took about 10 of them, roughly, in my trading time, and I went 10 for 10. So I'm gonna give it a shot. It breaks the high. I'll be taking it. Remember, this 30-minute closed bullish on the MT4.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. I did on mine as well. So kind of instead of waiting for candles to close, you're more or less putting pendings above or below the previous, so that way you don't miss the quick 10 pips and then it pull back.
Not so I don't miss it, but then I'm getting in closer to the area I want to enter at. And then if it breaks the high, it's going to have a better chance of continuing. And that's only if that's the opportunity I get, that's what I'm going to take. My trade was entered. And kind of just go from there, I guess. When we simulate this week, I'll go more in depth on it with the group.
Okay, and then also when you guys simulate, you have to have that. Obviously, you have to have that program simulator to simulate, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I might be considering investing into that pretty soon here.
Oh, I definitely would.
Yeah.
Yep. What up, JR? J Kennedy. Yeah, so my buy was activated. I'm up 2 pips right now. Once it hits 10, I'm out, and that's my trade. Hopefully, it'll go hit 10. I think it should. I don't see why it wouldn't. So yeah, 10 pips is right about at that candle. Yep. What up, cats? Yeah, I dropped GJ for now. I really like how GA moves. Come on, market open, pump it up. There's 5 pips. Let's go. 6, 7. Come on, baby. Yep.
Yeah, that's wild, dude. That's a quick fun trade.
I'm not out of it yet. I'm at 7. Come on. It should hit 10.
But yeah, no, I like that, dude. Last week I did a couple pendings as well, and the ones I did do the pendings, I actually won on, and there's a couple of the ones where I didn't use a pending where I got probably like 6 or 7 pips of a worse entry point.
8, 9. All right, I'm out. There's 10. That's the trade for Asian session. We caught that in. Oh shit! Now it's moving. Let's go. Beautiful call, Paul. Let's go. 1 for 1. Look at that thing go. There's 12 pips already in 5 minutes. Oh, now we're at like 15, 20. Oh no, probably not 20.
Good shit, dude.
Yeah, I mean about 20. I think
I've never seen it run like this.
I think I closed 9.8 pips. Yep. Well, that was quick. All right, guys. I'm gonna go back to the gym. No, that was my trade. I'm done. That was quick as shit. No drawdown whatsoever. Yeah, no runners for me. Um, just 10 pips and out is kind of what I'm going for this week. Last week I had, I think, 4 trades that were up 20, 30 pips. I was up maybe between 50 and 80 pips total between all my positions, and I would close one, set it break even, and then get stopped out. So I basically just gave the market back 40 to 50 pips, um, probably 2 to 3, maybe 4 times last week. So I'm just um, once I get 10, I'm just taking it. If it bumps up to 20 super quick, um, if it bumps up to 20 super quick, and I don't close 10 quick enough, then I made an extra 10, 20 pips. So, um,
Got the telegram. I smashed it, man.
what's up?
Check the telegram. I smashed it on UJ.
Ooh, I'll pull it up. Yeah, I can explain the trade, Nathan. Thanks, Cats. Noah, yep. Yeah, I'll explain it 1 second. So, like I said, this bearish candle actually was extremely weak bullish on MT4. So once it broke the high of that, the mouse is in the wrong spot, but the height of the cursor. So once it broke the high of that bearish candle right here, I just felt like it had a really good chance to continue up to here, which it did almost perfectly. About a 20 pip trade in, I don't know, was that 6-7 minutes? No drawdown. So just the way I saw it is if it broke the high, which it shouldn't have if it was going to continue down. And so even though this was bullish on MT4, it's extremely weak on what we can see right here, and actually closed above this little area here and here. And then this one kind of, the hourly is actually, like, the zone is right in between here. So this actually tapped into that hourly support, and because it pulled back so hard, I just figured if we broke the high, we were going to get a nice move up. And as soon as it broke it, wherever the low would be of the candle, I actually moved my stop. So it was like this while the trade was running. So it went from if we would have entered at the close, we had a 20 pip stop, but if we wait for it to break the high, now we got like a 10 pip stop and a better gain. So we went from a 1-to-1, barely a 0.91 ratio, up to a 1.93. So we minimized our loss by waiting for it to break the high, and it just made sense to me. I did a lot of testing on, not a lot, I only did 2 hours, but it was a very good 2 hours of learning, and reviewed the trades from during the week. And every time I saw this kind of thing where it would come down to support or go up to resistance and not break it, probably like 50 or 60% of the time the candle would just head down or head up from that area. So if it breaks the high or the low of that candle and it's not like a super strong close, it just made sense. So, and it was, we do still have bullish momentum. So I'm trying to think. So yeah, I looked at the 4 hour before we started. Kind of looks like we're not liking to go down from here. And then I think the daily looked like a nice little, so yeah, the daily doesn't have a top wick, so I was just anticipating us to continue up. So if we broke the high, it would make sense that we should continue up. And every time it did one of these setups, it went a minimum of like 15 to 20 pips every time. So getting 10 was super, super easy. I mean, like you guys saw, it took 2 minutes to hit 10 pips. So that's why I took the trade. Thank you, David. Yeah, so hopefully that made sense in how I explained it. It made sense to me when I took it and saw the idea. So if that still didn't make sense, you can always message me on Instagram, which is right around here, and I can send you some voice messages that are more in-depth depending on specific questions. I mean, Mike, did you take the trade?
No, I didn't get in that one.
Yeah, I think if this closes bullish, it's going to be a nice move to the upside.
Yeah, I was still marking up my chart, and I was asking that question about that pending, so I was just looking at it. But no, that was a solid, really quick move.
Could have got 20 pips in 5 minutes with no drawdown.
I know. That was crazy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, if anyone wants in the Zoom, just hit me up on Instagram. We'll still leave Zoom open for a little bit because it went really well last week.
Paul's feeling generous now. We don't even need to get the 50 likes, folks. Just ask him. He want to trade.
No, just did they get when we don't have those extra people on, the Zooms get really dead sometimes, and then I just gotta babble for 2 or 3 hours repeating myself.
No, I agree. If somebody wants to come on and bring value and bring some energy, then do it. Sit here and look at the charts and look at other things as well, and it's only a couple of us that are ever talking.
Yeah.
I wonder if this would be a good re-entry point now, and stocks can still be below that previous 30. A couple pips away from that area that you entered in.
That's up to you, Mikey.
See this candle close and see what it wants to do.
Yeah, I think if it closes bullish, it's gonna be a real nice move to the upside. Yeah.
Alright, I'm back.
We're still here. Yo.
Yo man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. I don't know if you remember, I joined like I think a couple of days ago. My name was on there. But
Your voice sounds familiar. So.
yeah, we took that AUD trade.
Yep.
I think he was like, he took it a bit like very early, like 2 p.m. your time.
Oh
And
yeah.
I took it up like, yeah, when it just broke out.
Yeah, and I think we're traced hard. I think it's still gonna.
That's a nice trade I'm seeing you're taking right now on the stream.
Yeah, I think it's still gonna go up.
Yeah, no, because I'm looking at like, it's like a 3 red candles, and you know, when I see this, I'm very interested. Like, next one might be a green one. The same thing that's happening with gold right now. I know you don't trade gold, but yeah.
Okay, gold kind of did the same thing.
Yeah, like, it does it like a lot of the time actually. There's always like, if there's 2 ways, you know, like when it goes 3 red candles, then it's a green candle up, or if it's like 3 candles up, like the next one, like there's a high chance it's gonna be, you know, a bear candle down.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But yeah, I never really trade Asian session that much because I'm from like London, so.
Yeah, I can kind of tell. It sounds like it. You got a little bit of a Monty accent.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, his streams are way too early for me, man. I mean, I try my best to wake up, you know, around like 7 a.m. time.
Oh, that's not early. Come on, man. That's not early. You're a trader. That if you sleep until 7, you slept like half the day.
No, it's true.
Yeah, no. Damn. If this closes bearish, I still would not trust sells.
No, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird how like this is a big candle, man. Like wick, you know.
Yeah, I think it's just making the bottom wick. I think maybe testing support again.
Maybe.
Yeah, because that was market open right when it pushed up. So
yeah, that's market open is always a bit different.
yeah. So that I think that was just the volume coming in. We spiked up. Now it's gonna collect itself, find the support again, and then close bullish.
Yeah, these things happen, Marco.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna mark up my chart.
Did you take any profits when it was up there or anything?
Yep. Yeah, it closed right at
Oh,
9.8
you closed.
9.8 pips. So I closed at
Oh,
10,
that's good.
but
That's
yeah.
good. That's good.
Yeah, I was worried it was gonna get to 10 and then like reverse. So as soon as it hit like 9.8, 9.9, I was like, "Yep, I'm out."
Yeah.
And then right as soon as I closed, it popped up another 10. All right, so I'm gonna mark this up for my files. Then I guess you guys can see it as well.
Yeah, I think this is the one that we traded last time when I was with you.
GA?
Yeah, I think it was this one. I can't remember. But
Yeah, that's all I've been trading lately.
yeah. It was this one. Let me check. Yeah, it was GA. Yeah, it was. Wow, this has just been going down, man. I'm looking at the daily, like, wow.
Yeah, I don't think it's going past 929.
Damn, this has been taking an L.
Excuse me. Yeah, see, so that did tap into that 1 hour support right there.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
looking at the 1 hour right now actually. It's gonna close in 8 minutes.
Yeah, it's still gonna close bullish, I think. Just making a down wick. In my opinion.
Did you already close your positions? Or are you letting some go?
No, I've been out. I was out in 5 minutes.
Nice. Good idea.
Yeah.
I don't even know, man. Oh, there's like a mini gap, isn't there? Huh.
Yeah, EJ's real good to trade during Asian. It moves pretty nice. So yeah, this is what I do after my trades is I copy it, save it, and then it goes in to Trello. What's the date today? 2/9. And that's it. Mike, did you wait for the close? You didn't enter yet?
No, I'm not in yet.
Okay, good.
Kind of a bit scary.
Yeah, I still think it's gonna close bullish. Is it? I don't. It shouldn't. It's.
Yeah.
I don't think it should have spiked up that hard.
No, I get you, I get you.
I mean, even if it does close bearish, I think the next one would go bullish if it doesn't get down below here.
Looking on the 15, it's bullish right now, kind of, yeah. 15. So I don't know. But yeah.
Yeah,
Just
look at that.
Wait for the thing to close and we'll see, I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Trying to find that support. And it looks like it's right here, but it just looks kind of ugly. Yeah, I think if this closes bullish, a re-entry here, or your first entry here would be a nice trade, because then you're closing back above this resistance, which is kind of what 1, 2, 3 candles reacted off of. This tapped our hourly support, which is right here, right at that tap, and now we're pulling up to go. There's going to be some resistance, so if you're taking a buy, I would target right around here. So yeah, that looks like a real nice wick fill. If we can hold that close, that looks real good.
Yeah.
My target, I already got in and out of the buy and a saw. I got 10 pips and got out.
Nice.
So I would target this area because you're pretty clean up to there. And you could probably hold a runner because the daily should. It looks like it could flip and go up.
Paul,
Yo.
you going to the gym tonight?
I'm taking a rest day today.
Oh, nice.
Why? Are you?
Probably. I know you're like you don't go to the same gym anymore, but I'm just
Yeah.
curious.
I mean, if you come out to Greenfield, maybe I'll come do cardio.
It's a bit of a drive. I don't know.
Yeah, that would be probably a good try for you. Yep, so look at that. Came back down, now it's going back up.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Come on, why's this shit so fucking laggy? God damn. Yeah, this is gonna be a real nice buy if it closes bullish. That'll be an hourly close. That'll be real nice.
It's a good push.
Yes, sir. And I got the Tic Tacs.
I know some people fully into this right now. Like it's fully entered early. Oh man. It's actually my fail the whole way. Easy.
Ooh, Sam. I just saw your thing. Sam, you still here? Let me find out the people I helped trade gonna be better than me.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, that looks real nice. That thing's going up.
Yeah, that's free. That's picking, yeah.
I'll pull up your idea, Dallas. So 2 bears, 30-minute, 1-hour candles. Stop loss above there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is looking very good.
Did you take it, Dallas?
No, not yet. I'm kind of waiting for it to retrace a little bit more.
Gotcha. Looks good. I like that. That looks real clean. Oh, we got another chart sent in from Troy. I just like how GA moves, Richie. It's a little smoother for my personality and what I like to execute on. Alright, so here's probably some good entries on GA right here on this pullback. This is definitely where I'd be looking to enter. I'd probably scale down to the 5-minute and get in at a 5-minute support area.
see is going to 93098 kind of area, and then it goes up like a lot. I think it's gonna like make a wick, and like, yeah, maybe. Oh. It's gonna make like this, like it's gonna reject when it goes down.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think is gonna happen, and then that's how the candle. I think like the candle. I think because it's doing it kind of too fast right now. But usually it goes going as well. But yeah, it's gonna like. Yeah, I look at it. I'm looking at it on a 15-minute right now, and I think it's gonna look like the previous 15-minute candle if you want to check that right now. But yeah.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
You know what I mean? Innit?
Oh yeah, it's gonna wick down and then pop up.
Yeah. And when it pops up, this is gonna. How many pips is that?
Yeah, so this wick's gonna get filled and then continued, and we'll probably head up around here.
Yeah, exactly.
I like it. It'll probably reject somewhere off of like here and in this little area. We'll see though. It's got to hold that support. Oh damn! It popped off of that area.
Yeah.
It did not like
exactly.
that.
I said 1.90398. Yeah, at least you said that.
Yeah, it did not like that area.
Yeah.
There's a because what is it? I don't have that section. That's like the bottom of the 30-minute. Yeah. Wait for this to close.
I'm in, Paul.
GJ?
Yep.
GG.
I waited for my stop loss to be able to be 10 pips or less, and I took a sell.
All right, let me pull it up and see what Dallas is doing.
Look at the GG right now. I think this actually might just range like tonight, but I'm not sure.
On GA?
No, GJ.
Yeah, it usually does that on Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got clean. It's got really nice traffic down, and it's got some good volume to already start the session. So I think it could move pretty nice. I think, because I mean, look at we got really good candle. This one's not bad. Kind of broke through support pretty easily, right at open. If this candle moves well, I think it's gonna have good odds. Because if you look left, there's not really any. I mean,
if this goes down, if this goes down, it'll go down hard.
Yeah, I mean, looking left, this wick would be the only thing I would maybe see as an issue, and I normally don't look at that kind of stuff as an issue. But if it were, we still closed below that. So.
You got a good chance. You got a good,
Yeah.
Score wood-wise. Like,
Yeah. Send the results of that, Dallas. I think that's going to be a real nice one. That should be an easy.
It's 332. Target is 082. I'll lay it down to the bottom of that range.
Oof.
But I'm definitely bringing stop loss to break even as soon as I can.
I would secure something. Maybe secure 10 and let 50% run. So you get something. Yeah.
This is crazy, man. This has gone down like how many pips? It's got like 202 pips already now.
Oof. On what? GJ?
Yeah.
Damn, 200?
Damn.
Why don't I use limit orders for the take profit? A limit order for a take profit. That I don't think that does that make sense or am I confused? I feel like that doesn't make any sense.
Limit order for take profit. What's the question? What did he say exactly?
He said I should use limit, or he asked why I don't use limit orders as my take profit. But a limit order is a type of entry, so I don't know how that could be a take profit, unless you just worded it wrong.
Oh yeah, I see the question. Oh, I think what he's trying to say is like, why don't you put like why don't you on your take profit? Why don't you put something on your take profit? Like, you know what I mean? That's what it means. Why don't you use an automatic take profit instead of a manual take profit? I think that's what it means. Like,
I just like to close 10.
Do you have it like automatically on close 10? I think that's what he's asking. Like, yeah.
Normally I do, yes, but this one I didn't because it was a pending and it's the first pending I used on like entering from my desktop and not my phone. So once it hit 10, I just used my little trading panel and pressed close at 10.
This is looking really good, you know, GA.
Yeah, I normally do use take profits though. But since I'm sitting here looking at it and I'm not going anywhere, it didn't make much difference. All I had to do was click a button. My finger was right there ready to go, so. Yep. Yeah, I think it should be good.
I think I'm gonna enter on the 15-minute. By the way it's looking.
Cause yeah, that was an hourly close, so it had a little bit deeper of a wick.
Right now it looks like a very good entry.
Yeah, GJ looks like it's gonna fall too.
I think GJ's at least gonna fall to around like 141 and 10.08, like he was talking about, because that area has been like we've been bouncing off that area since fucking November. Like,
So that's probably a pretty good area, huh?
yeah, I'm definitely looking for buys on that or sells below.
That makes sense.
Damn. Come on, go down a bit more.
I'll be right back. Yep, yeah, Brown. I would, as long as we don't break the low, I think buys make sense, and these are probably going to be your best entries right here while we're kind of at the bottom. I'd say maybe wait for a good 5-minute support or a 15-minute close, just to make sure. But we have a good 30-minute close, so I think it's going to go up. It just, if you don't wait for that, you could just sit in some drawdown till it does go up. But I think right here is probably going to be the best entries because you can have the smallest stop loss as well.
And also I've noticed that when GJ moves up or down, GA does the opposite.
Really? I don't trade GA, ever, actually.
I'll be right back. I gotta go use the restroom. Man, I follow this trader on Instagram, and this dude's a complete monster, dude. He's a swing trader. He uses a monthly time frame and catches like thousands of hits, dude.
Really? Yeah. One day time frame. What's his name? What's his name?
Let me see. Raja Sahil Chengai. On Instagram, it's Raja _ SAHIL. It'll probably pop up after that. But dude, he's
Oh yeah, I see this guy. Oh. Oh, he's followed by 2 people I know. That's interesting. Oh wow. Am I seeing this right? He's using 0.01 lots and he's just making money.
Oh wait, what? Zero? What? No, I thought he was using.
Look at the lot size he uses, like
No,
0.
he uses 1.01.
Oh. Oh shit, yeah, you know I entered this GA trade like at 1.93158 and it went up straight after that. Shit. What line on that?
See, like right now, DJ is going down a little bit, and now GA's retracing back up.
That's good that you noticed these kind of things. Didn't actually know that. Now I'm looking at both of them.
Well, I mean, like, like when you're on like a higher time frames, they move the same, but on lower time frames, you can see the candles moving differently.
Yeah. Interesting. Oh, why is that? Do you know?
My only guess is the strength of AUD compared to JPY.
Are you kidding me? Why is this retracing right now?
Yeah, I took 8 pips. I got out at the top of that 5-minute wick.
I had like a decent amount of money actually. I mean, a decent amount of pips or whatever. But fucking, I don't know why. I thought it could go up way more.
I had a feeling it was gonna do that right at the top there, but I think you'll still be fine either way.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get out. I actually got to pop off the stream right now, so.
Oh, okay.
But I'll be back in probably about an hour or so.
Cool, man.
See you, dude.
Yeah, that's a 9. I'll take another entry, man. That's super annoying. Yeah, it's going up again now. Yeah, that midpoint of that candle is looking like the new support. Not new support, but like the place where it always like goes up.
back.
Someone.
Had to get some coffee.
Yeah, I entered by the way.
Ooh.
Yeah, 1.93158. I had another entry at 1.93179.
Nice.
So, interesting.
I think you're gonna be good.
It went all the way up, but I didn't want to sell it because I thought like it could go up way more, and then it just retraced fully back to exactly where I bought it, and I'm like, fuck, man, I'm taking another entry. Yeah, it's looking like the midpoint of this candle is looking where it keeps going down to the midpoint of this candle, and it keeps just retracing, yeah, like going up, laying down back to that midpoint.
I think it'll go up. You just gotta
Take time.
just wait on it. Yeah, Asian's gonna be slow.
Yeah, I think this one's gonna take some time.
It should go though, I think.
Yeah, I definitely think we're good up to like 9345, 9340, something like that.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm so ready to trade this week. Dude, I get
Yeah.
so bored when the market closes on the weekends. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, no, I get you. I just literally like I get bored as well. But I just start looking at the charts. Like it's weird, but I just start looking at the charts and see, just try to find patterns. You know what I mean? I don't know when I get bored. I need to look at the charts.
Yeah. I've done that plenty of times on the weekends looking at charts.
Yeah, it gets boring though. Like just waiting for it to open, man. Like,
Yeah. Well, I used to when I first started, I tried swinging. So I would just like on the weekends. That's like free time for me to just spot more moves.
yeah.
Because like the more time I have to analyze a chart and the history of it, patterns, the more likely I am to be with the pair.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, this is like a new pair for me. Pound Australian.
Yeah, I look at it basically because Paul looks at it. I still trade GJ mostly though. That's what I'm used to and I prefer.
Yeah, I trade GJ a lot. I trade mostly like gold. Like gold is like my thing.
Has a 23 tip spread like all the fucking time. So I think
Really?
yeah. And AED always has a 4 or 5 tips, so that's why I try to stay out of the GA trading.
Damn, spread man, that must hurt.
It does, bro. I hate seeing the news happen on GA, but I can't take it because like
Yeah.
it's too big.
Yeah, I don't really like in the UK we have this one broker. It's I think like the best broker in the world. I don't know, man, but it's called IC Markets. I think it's Australian as well. Yeah, it's Australian, but there are a lot of people in the UK have them. They're really good, man. We have like raw spreads, but we pay commission. But the commission isn't really that bad. I think it's better than paying spread.
Do they partner with US clients or?
No, they don't. I don't know why, but I think it's some sort of
Like all
regulation.
of the good, like really good ones don't.
Yeah, I don't know why. That's a bit sketchy. Yeah.
But no, I'm gonna use on FX when I open mine.
Yeah, Nathan, I got you. Yeah, Nathan, I like that. I think that makes sense. This one kind of closed below that little support there, and this looks to be retesting it to continue down. Probably get that wick fill a little deeper.
We need that wick. That wick is really important. That wick down.
Yeah, that looks good, Nathan. Oh, wow, this thing is just kind of chilling. One sec, I'll be right back.
This might be bearish. You're gonna get out.
Yep.
It looks very bearish, man. Oh man.
I did not like that push.
It's not the push, it's like, look at the wicks on the top, yeah. Looks like it's just rejecting, you know what I mean? But, okay, I know I'm waiting for the close, to be honest. It could just go up a little bit and then the wicks could be mixed down. I don't know.
What's up, Damien?
As long as it doesn't break, yeah, no, it's good.
Beras, I don't have a stop loss in because I'm not in the trade anymore. But if I had one, it would be below that bullish candle.
Yeah, it does look a bit bearish.
Yeah, we'll see where it ends up. It could just pull back and keep going up. Yep, yeah, no problem, Beras.
This is going like... Yeah, if it goes down, it'll go down to like about 1.92974.
Yeah, it'll just go back to that 1 hour support again. But remember, this is the hourly low right here. So if you entered on here, I mean your stop's got to be below here or below this support here. So
Yeah, this is mission strong.
what up, backpacks?
Is that a really good buy entry or go down?
Yeah. I'm better. Hold on. I'm back. The plumber was here. He had to fix some stuff. What's up, Damien?
Close on that 1 hour support, like you said.
Dallas, you still here?
Yeah, I'm still in it.
How's it looking?
Not so good right now, but it's not quite at the stop loss yet.
Alright, bro,
30 minute close below resistance.
I'm in as well, man. I'm in with you. But this can be very good though. This closes bullish, right? The 15 minute closes bullish. And then this is things could hit the target that you have on your screen. Going up again. That could be making a wick.
Yeah, this could all just be a big fat pullback.
Yeah. Don't know what happens soon. Should have probably entered on that 30-minute close, but
If this, in half an hour, if it doesn't already, if it closes below 4:30, we're still safe, but still, it's a long ways off.
Yeah, I mean hourly looked pretty good bullish. check out the 4 hour, see what's going on there. Yeah, I mean, still got an hour and a half.
Ooh, it's broke a low.
Yeah, I'm just gonna see how it plays out. I mean, if it breaks that hourly low, it's gonna drop pretty nicely, but did Mike leave already?
Yeah, he did.
Hmm.
I forgot what he said he had to do.
Yep.
I'm gonna walk away again for a little bit. I'll be right back.
Alright.
I saw the trades that you guys took, man. Clean trades, nice one.
Yeah, it was quick.
Yes, it is, sir.
Yeah, Australian dollar is kind of strong right now, man. So what's going on? There's strength in the Australian dollar and there's like weakness in the pound. Oh, pound yen is going up.
GJ's going up.
No, pound yen. GJ is going up.
That's what I said.
Oh. Yeah, next candle might be a green one as well.
Yeah, I've got 141 200 as a pretty strong support on GJ. We haven't quite touched it, but interesting to see how it reacts. You look to the left of the 4 hour 141 200 stays strong.
Mm-hmm.
About 7 taps. Since end of November.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, fundamentally, I think the overall outlook at the moment for the pound isn't very good.
It's gonna die if it breaks past.
Mhm. I think for me the really interesting part would be if we break below 139, because we just made that up.
Yeah. Hassan, send a chart, and then and I'll let you know. Cause it depends where this 30-minute closes, and then where your target is, where your stop loss is gonna be.
Are you still holding a run up from your GA platform?
Nope.
That's all the double on that.
I should probably delete that. That was for.
Yeah, that was a nice quick trade, man. I was just helping out at my sister's house, getting some renovation done, and I was just trying to watch the chart. Like I can't enter anything if I can't look at the charts, but I just saw the yourself and Sam's message come over. Like,
Yeah, it was quick.
what a way to start the week.
Yeah, we'll see, cats. I mean, it's got to get through. It's got to hold through here and then get through here, and then I think we'll probably head down to here. But that's going to be a good level to get through this whole area right here. Here, here, here. I mean, everything in here is going to be tough to drop through.
I still think GA is very bullish actually.
I do too. But
Could take time.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking, cats. Exactly.
Just been observing and finding the correlation between GA and GJ during Asia. Interesting as hell. Like they tend to move in opposite directions very well.
Yeah, I think it's.
Like I don't want to. I haven't based anything off it at all.
I was actually just given some information on these two pair on GA and GJ, and it would actually make sense to why they're why they would move oppositely. So the coronavirus apparently is making AUD very weak, which would push GA up, and then the coronavirus is making the yen really strong, which should pull GJ to the downside. So I'm told. So that would make sense for the opposite. That would make sense for them to be opposites then, yeah. But that's just what I was told.
No, that makes perfect sense actually, because I know AUD and NZD are strongly tied to Chinese imports and exports because they're a massive, essentially business partner of China. So anytime anything happens crazy in China, the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar are affected. So yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah, that's not my information though. That's what I was told from a buddy.
No, it's cool because I remember once, I think this was at some point last year, something happened in China. I don't know if it was like a tanker or something like that, some sort of crazy news, and
Mm.
and it went 200 pips up on that.
Oh wow.
So yeah, I mean, I guess NZD and AD are fairly volatile anyway, so it's nice to know what affects them.
Yeah, I mean it rallied up pretty hard on Thursday, Friday, so I'm thinking we should get our new week pullback and then continue up.
Yeah, which is what's actually surprised me for GJ, because I would have expected GJ to go up to create its weekly wick, to carry on down, but who knows, maybe it'll happen at some point throughout the week.
Yeah, it'll spike up. Yeah. Yeah, Hassan, that makes sense. Yeah, I've heard it's not the best, but it was really AUD was really strong Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday last week, like really strong. So that could have just been like the pullback for the new month, but yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah, I was gonna say you can see where the virus has started really affecting the correlation, I guess, because if you look at GJ and GA on the monthly, there's like no correlation in January.
Yeah, GA looks very bullish. Let's see how many times we tap this monthly low. And then check out the weekly and see how many times we. Yeah, so wow, that looks like it was a fake out to the upside. Or it made a high and we're going to get a higher low somewhere and then continue up.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if we don't break that low that we're at currently on the monthly, check that out. I mean, yeah, GJ hasn't broken the monthly low yet, but the fact it's come so close on like one trading, full trading weekend, you know? Okay, this is maybe starting tonight.
Yeah. I want to mark these up and then go on the 30-minute and see how many times it tapped into those areas.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how much of it like been applying pressure. It's like the I forgot who said it, like the applying pressure to a window eventually it's gonna break that.
Daily support and tapped it a bunch of times. Monthly low only hit about once.
Yeah, this is interesting. I mean, once I put the low on the monthly low on, it looks like when you transfer that to the weekly and daily, it's like we've broken above that level and now we've retested it.
Yep.
With the last bullish candle on the 7th of February, and we should just be heading up to at least test that high.
I agree. I'm thinking this 30 is going to close bullish and then it'll probably continue up, or you could take an entry if you didn't enter. As long as we close above this area that I'll mark up in a second. Yeah, we just gotta close above 93101. And then we should head up again.
Marked out that level.
Should be a good trade.
Yeah, I don't know if anyone in here didn't hear when we started because we kind of jumped in the trade right away. But if anyone wants the Zoom link, just message me on Instagram and I'll send that out.
Yeah, the 15, if this GA closes like the way it's looking right now, you can see a good upside.
Yeah, up to that 93,500.
100%, yeah.
Yeah, you see how it didn't break that hourly low though?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's making like lower lows, I guess. In a way, you can say that some people. It's getting stronger. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, 30-minute needs to close bullish.
I think it's got a good chance.
Yeah. 15 needs to do is go up to that 193098 area. That should be good.
Anybody here follow Forex, Rob?
Yeah, he actually just followed me the other day.
Man, it's hella funny.
That's my homie, man. Out there getting rid of all the false.
Getting rid of all that, though.
Ugh.
Oh man, such a thing.
I'm gonna go get some more water. This thing will not go. What the heck? No, don't do that. I was just thinking bullish because it made support here, and we had support here, so I figured it would go up from somewhere in here or go up from somewhere in here. That's all. No crazy reasoning. Got some good beats today. Yeah, last week ended extremely bullish. So higher time frame, definitely a bullish bias, but right now it's not really doing anything. So I feel like we need to get a close above here. To take us up to here for sure, and then probably back up to the high. Are you back, Dallas?
I'm back. I'm still in it. Looks like it wants to go back down, but we'll see how this closes.
Let me see if I can work some wizardry on it.
I'll just go get some coffee.
No, I'm done with the coffee now. I'm Mountain Dew Zero. Alright, Dallas. So here's your key.
I think we should be safe.
I was gonna say, as long as you close below 394, you should be good, or even 360. If you close below there, you should be good. Yeah, Jared, it was looking like it could definitely fill that that wick. I'll go back to it in a second. And then I think it'll create a support down there and then head up. But if not, it's gonna have some nice downside moves. Yeah, that's a good 15-minute close, Dallas, as long as we don't break that high. It looks like it made, this was the resistance up here. Looks like it made a little bit lower of a support. Could just be a longer hold.
Yeah.
But it looks like it's just slowly inching down. I mean, if we just had an hourly close, I think, right? Oh, 2 seconds. Wait, no, wait, what the hell am I looking at? What? That didn't make any sense. Huh, so the hourly was closed, and the next candle was counting down at an hour and 10 seconds. That's weird. But that hourly closed below the support, so I think you're going to be good, Dallas.
I'm gonna bring stop loss lower.
Yeah, I'd put it above the hourly wick. Yeah. Well, let's go back to GA real quick. Yeah, it should have went and filled this wick. It shouldn't have stopped right there. So look, we're still tapping a support. So we have our hourly right here, but we also have support right here, which is kind of where we're sitting. So if it breaks the high of this 30-minute, it's going to keep going up, but it's got to get through here. Yeah, because the price stayed above here, stayed below here. We had a fake out, continued up. This was that wick down here into the hourly support. Now we're back into this support. So these ones kind of made a high in terms of like the 30-minute and the hourly. So then we should make a higher low right here and then continue up to here and eventually up to that 93,500. If not, it's just going to probably range around like it is. Yeah, this is just a clusterfuck right here.
Someone playing chess?
Oh my god, I never
No.
thought I'd ever hear MGMT
What it sounds like.
But guess who popped up?
Sounds like JR's in the background somewhere.
Yeah.
Just, I got you, Noah. It's like,
I
Yeah.
feel like he's been actually like grinding out, like practicing and shit.
Yeah, no, he said he was going to be grinding it out all weekend.
Oh god.
I feel like you guys have got to like sell tickets to this. Like I would sit and watch. Popcorn.
We should have a stream of just me and JR playing fucking chess.
Yes.
I'm a little intimidated, honestly, because I haven't really practiced much at all. I gotta like, I told him I'll play him again Tuesday, so I'm gonna have to like grind out and practice a lot, dude. All nighter.
How do you practice for that?
You literally just go back through just every chess game in history. Well, not every chess game, but like a lot of important tournament games from important players. And there's a whole bunch of rules to follow, a whole bunch of principles, different strategies. It's endless.
That's nuts. That's cool, though. I would be.
No, literally, like most chess players that do it professionally, when they get old, they're crazy because it just takes so much out of you. especially if you're in tournaments, you got to think about it. It's just as taxing as any other job. You know, you're sitting there for some like over 6 hours if it's a
Hours,
serious
yeah.
game, just like focusing all your energy on that game,
Yeah.
just like
If anything,
for hours. It's so taxing.
if anything, I'd probably assume it's harder than a regular job because like your opponent is so small.
Mm-hmm.
This may seem like a stupid question, but is breast milk vegan? Can I call you back in
Yeah, I'm gonna
2
stick to watching these
I
many
really like
cat
You gotta look up Magnus Carlsen. I think the most he faced blindfolded was 20 people, but he definitely has done 10 people blindfolded, beat them all. Yeah, he's a genius, no doubt.
Yeah, no, you have to give like that credit where it's due, right? If someone told me they were able to trade for like 20 days in a row profitably blindfolded, I'm like, this guy, he knows something.
Yeah, man. I mean, he beat a world champion when he was 12 years old. Well, he didn't beat him. He got a draw, but that's just as good as beating him at 12.
If I was that world champion, I would probably have retired.
Dude, he did not even say a word the entire game. Not even after. Not good game, kid. Nothing. Just walked away.
That hurt his inside. That hurt the soul.
Yeah, he was definitely salty, dude.
Yeah, that's like full reputation gone one day. Like, yeah, he was good, but do you remember that 12-year-old?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but dude, I mean, it's hard to understand when you don't play chess, but like, oh my god, there's this American player named something Hikaru, and he solves puzzles that take me at least 5 minutes. He solves them in legit 3 seconds each time.
Oh, what is GA doing? Uh-oh. Where's it going?
You going to the upside.
Honestly, I'm really salty that JR beat me at all because the only reason he beat me is because I fucked up. I got cocky. Every time I get cocky, I start fucking up. I freaking blundered 2 pieces in a row. If you don't know what that means, is he gets 2 of your important pieces.
I'm an elective epidural. Just like she does.
Sounds like an excuse from a person who lost.
Hey, bro, I beat him the next game, but like, fuck, dude, I no doubt in my mind I would have beat that if I did not fuck up.
Oh, we should do a Zoom stream for the next game and just like sit back.
We can just commentate and talk shit.
Yes, and see how well they play.
I'm down. I don't know anything about it, but every move I'm gonna be like, oh, you fucked up. He's got you now. He's got you now.
But, oh no, he didn't. Did you just let him play you like that?
Yo, Cryptomo. Where you from?
What?
Cryptomo, where you from? Yeah.
He bounced.
Of course I'm not gonna let her wear pink. Did you see the Huffington Post article?
Yeah, let's go back. It's looking good now. GA.
Yeah, I think buys are gonna play out real nice in
Yeah.
20 minutes.
This kind of clothes like this. which I think it will.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it might pump up too. The buys had some good volume.
I can see this pump up, man. Like, you know.
Yeah, it already broke the high in the first 9 minutes.
Yeah.
So what up, PGC? Orgo, an entry at 93054. Okay, nice. Yeah, I think buys are gonna make sense up to that at least to the 93300 area. So that's probably a good 15-20 pips almost.
Yeah, just should at least get back to where that candle closed, at least, like right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But the last, bullish candle closed on the 30 minute. Yeah. So, yeah. If someone wants to take it now, that's 14 pips, but that's not a good place to take it.
Hey bro, what's your name?
Me,
Yes sir.
Vito, my real name.
Victor?
Vito.
Victor?
Vito.
Bro, I'm from Texas, you gotta give me a minute, dude.
Vito. Well, what part of Texas you from?
The hillbilly part, apparently.
Yeah. Cowboy.
We're out here fishing, you already know.
That's cool, man. Yeah, I have a friend that lives in Texas. He lives in like Plano, I think it's called. I don't know if you've heard of it. Plano, it's Texas Palace. Yeah, he literally just moved there like a few weeks ago from London. Like he literally left everybody, left his whole life in London just to move to Texas.
Yeah, Plano must be nice.
I don't know, man. I don't know. He just wanted to like start a new life, I think. But yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, man. Where you from, Paul?
Wisconsin, unfortunately.
I don't know where that is, like what state or I don't know.
That is the state. It's in the U.S.
Where in the US? Like where? Like
Shit. You know where
West.
Chicago is?
yeah, Chicago. Yeah, I know.
A few hours away from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Illinois.
It's not in Illinois, but it's
Close. It's a bordering. Illinois.
it's the state next to it. There you go, Orgo. Nice job. Yeah, that. I had a feeling it was going up from one of those two zones. But I didn't think it was going to retrace the hourly completely. Excuse me.
You ever been to London before?
No, but I'm hoping to get there this year.
Really? What do you plan on doing there?
Beating up Monty.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna go say hi to him and just check it out. Never been there, so I'm gonna go see as much as I can.
It's cool, man. Yeah.
What's up?
So make sure you class 3 for sure.
Oh yeah, we
Where
definitely
you
will.
from, my guy? You're from London, isn't it? I can tell.
Yeah, I was in here last time.
Mm-hmm.
What's you? Oh, where end you from?
No, I told you this rapid.
Oh yeah. I forgot, man. You know, I forgot. Oh man.
You've been on that push too much, bro.
No, not even, man.
You're in the Asian section, rolling the split. That's okay, bro. Nobody in here is judging. Nobody.
No, not at all.
I got uni tomorrow, you know. It's mad.
That's good. You're definitely missing your 9 a.m.
Yeah, it's 9 a.m. bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, like, yeah. I'm not looking to get that train to uni tomorrow. 'Cause, you know, that 9 a.m. trains, you know how packed they are, and I don't want to be getting no virus, you know. I'm gonna say that. The situation currently, you know. I might wake up for London session, man. I don't know.
Yeah, that actually pushed up on GA. That pushed up a lot higher than I was.
It's somewhere I bought it now, so break. Actually, I did make some. I took another entry down there, but I closed it kind of halfway to reduce risk. But
Right.
profit, basically net profit.
Yeah, I think it's gonna continue up. This one will continue up in the next
Half
yeah.
next hour, yeah.
Mhm.
Well, the next half an hour, yeah.
Yeah, we just had to find some good support.
Good. I'm annoyed I closed my position. I took a position at another position at 1.93032. Oh man.
Man, that's a good entry.
Yeah, like I closed it like, cause basically I already had like two positions open like in the middle, and then I knew it went down, so I was like, let me take another position here because this is a good entry, like risk reward. But I was like, yeah, this is a good entry, you know, and I knew it was kind of gonna go up on a kind of, you know, and I kind of closed it halfway through because I was like, yeah, let me just reduce risk anyway. But I should not have closed it. I mean, I've got like, how many pips did I get? Yeah, I've got, that's shit, man. I got 6 pips, but it wasn't really like a, you know.
Okay,
Yeah.
six bits.
Yeah, that could be $60, $600, $6,000. I mean,
Seriously, yeah.
that's
For
six.
10, that's probably like a few thousand.
Yeah, that's probably a lot for him, but
Just seen that trading with Ed guy, I think his name is.
yeah, it's just a 15-minute open, pulling back. That's all. Retesting that area to continue up.
I always expect a pullback.
Let's check out GJ, see if Dallas's trade is playing out. I think it should. It could just take a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, you're here.
Yeah. Just patiently waiting.
Yeah, you might have to hold that for a few hours, but I think you should be good. Or just get out at break even if it's.
Is this fully retracing? Oh my
If
god.
it breaks above 442, I'm out.
Ugh.
I don't know if you want to go out at 442, because that's like literally the bottom of the range. Are you serious? No.
Remember the last bullish one did this too.
Did it?
Yeah, it pulled all the way back, flipped bearish, made a down wick, and then flipped and closed really strong.
Oh yeah, it's when I joined the stream, yeah. I saw that. Yeah. So it's good. You actually trade this best, so you kind of know, you know, then how it works.
Yeah. Yeah, Sundays are slow, so that's why as soon as I hit 10, I took everything out.
Yeah, no, that was kind of smart, yeah. Yeah. Like really stop playing with my emotions, man.
Check out the hourly, see what's going on. Yeah, could have just been retesting that area right here that we just broke.
Yeah.
We'll see. I mean, it hasn't broke the low or made a new low yet, so we'll see what happens.
There's a lot of buyers here as well, man.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of buyer orders here. It's actually smart, I mean, there's a buyer order. Yeah, volume's crazy, yeah.
Alright, now I broke the low. Yeah, that I'm getting more and more convinced on the sells, cats. I'm not taking them, but looking more and more bearish.
Oh my god. That's kind of scary, man.
Yeah, remember last time we hit this hourly support though, we pushed off real hard, so
Yeah.
real hard. It was almost 40 pips off from the touch, so
What the hell, man?
that was when you go to the gym.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I also have to think about what time I want to be out for New York tomorrow, so
5 a.m.
I'm just, yeah, so like, I'm not sure if I actually want to go to the gym tonight. It was just a nice thought.
Yeah, it was a good idea.
That's gym enough for me, you know, thinking about going. I wish it worked that way.
Me too. I could just think about doing cardio and go to bed.
Tell you what, if I win this trade, I'll be a lot more motivated, that's for sure. It's not looking that way.
The yen should strengthen.
Playing Forex, I like that.
Yeah. All Forex is fun.
Yeah, after this trade and the stream, I'm gonna go finish watching Avengers and eat a salad.
Which Avengers?
Age of Ultron.
Oh, nice.
I was in the mood for a little James Spader.
Have you seen it before?
Yeah, I've seen it like a few dozen times.
Oh, nice, okay.
Yeah.
Medium fat.
Yeah. I'm not crazy. I only watch all of them. Probably 10 or 20 times.
Equally.
Yeah, I've seen Ragnarok probably like 30 times.
Which one is your least favorite of all those Marvel movies?
Oh boy.
Not that you dislike it, but just...
We're gonna get real deep into emotions now.
Just unleash the beasts.
Wow. Least favorite.
I'm ready.
Alright, I gotta pull them all up and then look at them and do some analysis. Marvel movies. Alright.
Get back to you on that.
Yep. It's probably, is Spider-Man included in this?
Yeah.
I really liked the Far From Home Spider-Man. That one was really good.
Yeah, I love that one as well.
I gotta say, it's gotta be the Spider-Mans then, because the only one I really liked was Far From Home.
So your least favorite is Spider-Man Homecoming? Or was that your most favorite? Your Far From Home?
Far From Home is the most. I liked that one, so that's not a least favorite. I think Homecoming. Was that the first Spider-Man of the Marvel one?
Oh yeah, this new Spider-Man, yeah. What do you say?
That one was good, but that's probably going to be the least favorite, yes. Because I like Civil War, all the Guardians, Avengers are obviously all good. Yeah, Orgar, I'll pull up your chart. Just send it on over. I liked the Captain Marvel, that was really good. Ant-Man's really good, I like that actor. We're not considering Hulk in the Avengers, correct?
Yeah, it's up to you.
But those are so old. Yeah, if that's it then it's definitely those older Hulk movies, but they're so old, I mean.
I think they really need to release a Mark Ruffalo Hulk spin-off. That would be good.
Yeah. Well, what's her name has a movie coming out now too.
Black Widow.
Yeah, that'll be super good.
I can't wait to watch that.
Yeah. Dallas, what did you say? There's a new Thor coming out, right?
Yeah, Thor 4.
Oh, it's gonna be
Thor,
so.
Love and Thunder.
What is it called?
Love and Thunder.
Ooh, sounds like a romance.
Yeah.
Go on.
Natalie Portman is coming back.
We might have to go watch that as like a trading team.
Yeah.
I don't know if the movie theater could handle that much nerd at once, though. Yeah, the music in that was really, really good. Dallas, is it snowing by you pretty bad?
Yeah, kind of. Actually, I think it just did snow. I think it's done actually. Snowed a little bit this morning, and then like a couple hours ago.
Yeah, it was pounding us out here in Greendale.
Dude, this GJ has come like less than a pip of stopping me out, and I'm still in it.
I'm telling you, it might not break that high. Just like I don't think GA is going to break this hourly support. I still think it's going up. I'm not convinced on sells yet.
If GJ magically comes down like 3 pips in the next 50 seconds, then I'll be mildly comfortable.
Alright, let's check it out. We'll get a dual screen going on. Excuse me.
Oh, whoa. Oh no.
I'm telling you, GA is going up.
GJ just pulled back like a pip.
That's right.
Oh, no, it's my bad. No.
Dallas, your dream, your quest might just come true, Dallas.
I just think about it hard enough. Come on. Focus.
Oh yeah, it's working. It's working.
Oh shit. Come on, stay down. Stay down. Oh, dude, it's respected resistance.
Yep, GA
No,
made
Dallas,
support.
They respected you.
Watch, it's gonna like shoot right up and stop me out.
Yeah. Wow.
It did create a higher high and a higher low in the 30 minutes, so that's not great.
Where the fuck is this GJ? Why is this chart being such a little, you know what? Mm-hmm. Oh, GA just broke that 30-minute candle. Ouch. Wonder if GJ went up then.
GJ is starting to shoot up again.
Yeah.
Did GA shoot down?
Yeah, it broke the low of the candle in the first 10 seconds.
Oh boy. Now I gotta look at the list of Marvel movies, see which one I like the least.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gotta hear this. Yeah, I mean, GJ respected that resistance, Dallas. I think you're gonna be. I think you should be good. I think GA is still gonna go up. It just tapped into hourly support now officially, and I think it'll go up. Nope, Orgo, I did not see your chart. Just send the last, after, when it says tradingview.com/x/, send after that. Yeah, I was wondering where your chart was.
Man, it's so... I like them all so much.
Gotta choose, Dallas. Come on.
I'd rather like say like my least favorite scene from like one or two of them.
No, that
I don't
doesn't
know.
count. Step up to the plate.
I like them all, so I would say the one I like the least, besides the Incredible Hulk, which kind of counts, kind of doesn't count,
Yeah.
would be either Thor: The Dark World or Iron Man 2 or Captain Marvel. Again, I like those movies. It's just I like all the other ones a little bit better. You know?
Yep. I don't disagree.
I think my number one disliked movie is probably Avengers Endgame. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Well, I thought you were about to get kicked.
Kick me out the stream. Yeah, no. Did you see Logan, the Wolverine movie?
Yeah, that one was good.
Yeah, I started watching that again the other day.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, GJ.
The GA is looking like it. If it closes below here, it could drop.
It could about to be stopped out.
Erdem, if you send a chart, we can give you an opinion. Did it stop you? Oh yeah, GA is falling now too.
GJ's skyrocketing.
Yep. So now I believe sells on GA could have an opportunity. But I'm gonna call it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night on the stream, guys. If you're waiting for a trade on GA, I would wait for. What would I wait for? If you get a nice close below here, you probably got a nice trade down to here or even the daily support area. Otherwise, if you're looking for buys, I think buys above this 93246 area, a nice 30-minute close would make sense, or even above the 93044 area or 3100 area would make sense to continue up. But I will see you guys tomorrow.